What is happening, people, and welcome back to another video. So today is a bit of a special one. I'm doing a collaboration with JenksArt, Steve Jenkins, the man, and he's a graffiti artist from Llanelli, and we're working on a bit of a special canvas. So let's get out there and have a look. So I'm here with JenksArt, Steve Jenks. This is his job, and he's asked me to come along and collaborate with him on this piece. So Jenks, how did you get in touch with this one?
Kevin Allen, the guy that owns the Caravan, put a status on Facebook asking for graffiti artists, and I think every artist in South Wales was tagged in the post. Yeah, they were. Luckily enough, he's got in touch with me, and we started working on the design. He's got a new film coming out, which is called La Cha-Cha, and the design is based around the format of that film. So.
Brilliant. Yeah. So I'm running a bit late today, so Steve has already marked out all of the design, so it's just down to me and Steve to get the painting finished. So enjoy this time lapse, and we'll see you when we come around doing the front end. So see you in a bit. So we're moving on to the other end now. The side will get revealed soon.
We are doing a totally different design for the front end of the Caravan. It's for the mobile film school, as you can see behind me. It's an editing studio for a certain Kevin Allen, who was the director and producer of TWINTOWN. Happy Days, one of my favourites. And yeah, so he's asked us to come up with a design for the front end. So we're thinking of curtain design and a film reel and the logo for the film school.
So yeah, that's what we're aiming to get finished now. The light is getting away from us, so we need to get our asses in gear and get this one finished. So let's go.
So we're all done here in Gowerton.
And yeah, this is our Caravan. This is La Cha-Cha. It's going to be a film that's coming out soon, hopefully soon. They're having little technical difficulties with all COVID and things like that, but yeah, Steve's stuff is down in the description. If you want to go give him a follow, that would be much appreciated, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.